Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Highlander back door. First, make sure your back door is completely closed. Next, find the power back door switch, usually near the driver's seat. It's important that your vehicle is in park and the ignition is off for this procedure. This ensures safety and proper system initialization. Now, manually open your back door all the way up. Once it's fully open, press and hold the back door close button, located on the door itself, for about 2 seconds. You should hear a confirmation beep, which signals that the system has registered the new maximum open position. This step is crucial for recalibrating the door's memory. If you want to set a custom open height, simply move the back door to your desired position. Then, press and hold the back door close button on the door for 2 seconds until you hear a beep. This action programs the door to stop at this specific height every time it opens automatically, offering personalized convenience for your Highlander. If your back door isn't responding after these steps, first check for any physical obstructions in its path. Also, inspect the latch and hinges for any visible damage or debris that might be interfering with its operation. Sometimes a simple visual check can resolve the issue. For more great deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.